Bonjour, welcome back to my friend's YouTube channel. So I have been receiving a lot of requests regarding prono personnel. So I'm back again today with the topic of prono personnel and a revision of this so that you understand this topic really well. All you need to do is pause this video right now, note down this question and then play this video again and you can check your answers. How much you have understood this topic. So let's quickly begin. First part, Monsieur Lenoir a offert ses fleurs à sa mère. So if you see, you can replace, I have not underlined any nouns, so you can replace all the nouns that are mentioned in the sentence. Monsieur Lenoir can be replaced with il a offert ses fleurs. Say direct. À sa mère, indirect. So first we are going to write direct. Il lui a offert. Most of the time I am seeing that the students are forgetting the accords. So accords is very very important. Fleurs c'est féminin pluriel. ES, offert. Ça va? Deuxième, écrivez ce texte. So I've tried to include all kinds of sentences here. Écrivez ce texte. Imperative, imperative positive. We always write after the verb. So écrivez, text is an exception. Le. Écrivez, le. 3. Ne prêtez pas. Now this was imperative positive. Now this is imperative negative. So imperative positive, it will be after the verb. Imperative negative, it will be before the verb. So ne prêtez pas d'argent à vos amis. So d'argent, don't lend some money. Okay. D'argent, D will be replaced with en. À vos amis will be replaced with COI. That's leur. So ne, leur, en, prêtez pas. Ne leur en prêtez pas. In negative, it will be before the verb. Next, pouvez-vous taper cette lettre? You can see here it's a question mark. So if it's a question mark, you also need to leave it in the question form only. Pouvez-vous, and two verbs are there. Second is in the infinitive. So where are we going to place the pronoun? We're going to place right before the second verb. So pouvez-vous, what will be the pronoun? Pouvez-vous la taper? Can you type it? Ça va? Next part, Sylvie et Paul vont acheter un ordinateur. Sylvie and Paul will be replaced with il. An ordinateur will be replaced with en. And by in between because this verb is in infinitive. So, ils vont en acheter un. I hope till here it's clear. We move on to the next part. Nous irons faire du ski à la montagne. Du ski en, à la montagne, I. So, which one are we going to write first? I. Nous irons I en faire. Ça va, c'est clair? I hope it's easy. Next, vous devez aller chez le médecin. That's one of the common mistakes that students do. Chez le médecin, médecin is a person. So we're going to write pronom tonique. Vous devez, sometimes students write E here. So vous devez aller chez lui, not E. Chez lui. Last part, Peter, il parle français. This is also something which is common. Can you see? Proper noun is here and the subject pronoun is here. So both of them are there. When proper noun and subject pronoun, both of them are there, we need to replace the proper noun with pronom tonique. So Peter will be replaced with Louis. Louis, il parle. This happens when in the starting both the things are given. Noun is also given and subject pronoun is also given. So I hope you understand. I have taken different parts today here. Imperative positive, imperative negative. Also, what happens when two verbs are there and second is in the infinitive. So keep practicing. It's a very bigger topic, but if you practice it, you'll be able to master this topic. And if you have any doubt, put it down in the comment section. Thank you so much for all your love. I'm going to see you in the next video. Au revoir.